Alright, so we're going to voice over this video because it wasn't the audio for some reason to capture when I made this video. So, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. Make sure when you're on Google, the website, that you're signed in to your profile, whatever Gmail you use that operates your Google My Business that you've verified it through. You're going to click the 9 dots at the top right corner, open your profile manager, business profile manager. Now you're going to choose the profile that you want to add the post to, and on the right side, when you scroll down, you're going to see add an update or a post. You can see a previous post that I did on October 13th, so I'm going to add this one. And then you're going to have your description. It's got to be maximum 1,500 characters, can't do any more than that. You can schedule the post of when you want it to go out. You can add a button. You can do a call now, which adds your phone number automatically, or a learn more button where you can do a specific page or just the home page if you wanted. I'm just going to do call now. It's easier. And then we're going to add a photo. When you add a photo, you want to add your keywords in the save when you save your photo. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to just go to the last website that I created, which is not BC Kayaking. It's Baja Kayaking Tours. Right, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this website because this is the website that I just finished. And when I save this screenshot, the name of the save file is going to be my keyword. And you can't see me doing this right now because I'm using the snipping tool and my recording device is just recording the Google screen, right? So I thought it would capture all that. It's not. So, but I'm taking a snipping tool, I'm cutting out my screen, and then I'm saving the file as my keyword that I want, which would, in this case, I think is web design services or website design services in Victoria, BC, and you will see that when I finally pull it up, which is going to be right now. So I'm going to select my image that I just, now you can't see the loader, obviously. But there it goes. There's my image that I cut out, and the save file name is exactly what I told you guys. And then I'm going to write I'm going to use ChatGPT because ChatGPT is great for just doing like grammar checks and getting the tone that you want. And when you, like, as you can see, I'm already making spelling mistakes. And when you want, after using ChatGPT enough times, it sort of understands your writing style. That's just me testing the character, making sure that's not words and it's characters. But ChatGPT understands your writing style, will get to know your personality, and sort of write things exactly how you expect it to, especially when you've written so much content. The key is that you actually write content in ChatGPT. If you just copy and paste and scrape things off the internet, it's never going to understand your writing style, and it's going to plagiarize other people's work. You don't want that, right? So as you can see, I'm writing in exactly what I want. I'm not copying and pasting. I'm not telling it to go find content and write this kind of content. I'm telling it exactly what I want it to say. And then you'll see at the end, when I'm done, that I just essentially, asked it to do tone and grammar, right? So I'll skip ahead. And you'll see at the end when I'm done. See, I'm writing a lot of content, right? There's a lot of content in there. So that's essentially what I'm doing, is writing the content. See, please fix grammar, make this professional, but also easy to read. So I want people to understand what I'm saying without, in layman's terms, and no AI typical writing such as long dashes, etc. Right? And then it's going to write me something cool. Right, just wrapped up this amazing project for front page SEO website design. It's time for right. And it just goes on to say exactly what I want, and I'm going to copy and paste that into my profile. Right, now see, as you can see, I'll back up. as you can see, there's 3 different options. There's offer, there's update. Mine's an update because it's something that I just did. There's an event, so that can be like, you're going to offer, that's where you're going to offer your gift cards, right? In particular, the person I'm making this video for is going to do gift cards. And then you're going to have your offer, which would be like your discounts and stuff. And then updates will be things that you've accomplished or changes to your business, right? Um, and then I'm going to go home. And then this is a new thing where you can add this to all of your business listings, which I really like. I really like that I can just add this to all because I basically copy and paste them and add them to every single one. And this is also telling you a signal that Google doesn't mind if you have the same post on your profile. It can be copied verbatim, and you're not going to get penalized. That's basically what it's telling you, right? There you go. Awesome. And that'll be that. That'll wrap it up right there.